Basta balita at musika, ibandera mo. 107.1 Radyo Bandera, Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Basta radyo, ibandera mo. Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, Olongapo. Hey, welcome everybody. Maganda kayong lahat. Buti na lang ang pogi namin. Dito sa Radyo Bandera 107.1 Bandera Night Jams, everybody. Tuwing Lunes hanggang Huwebes, no? 7 to 9 p.m. Ayan, okay? Lunes hanggang Huwebes. Pero for this week, hanggang ngayon lang muna, hanggang Wednesday lang muna, ha? Okay, paalam muna ako sa inyo para bukas. Pahinga muna ako bukas, ha? Magse-celebrate lang ako ng aking kaarawan tomorrow! Yay! Yay! Mawiwika ko ang mga katagang tao pala ako, inay. Nagbe-birthday din ako. Ayan, bukas po, kaya wala muna ako bukas ha. Hanggang tonight muna tayo mga tropa. Ayan, okay? Dahil Monday to Thursday, 7 to 9 p.m. Bandera Night Jams, dito lang sa Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, Olongapo, one of the city's most followed radio station, FM radio station. Oh, ha? Ha? The last time we check, 106,000 followers yata, tagal na yun 2 months ago ko pa yata chinek. Ilan na ngayon, no? O, dumagdag pa yung nanay ko. Kagabi lang. Okay, as usual, syempre, we always start things up with today's holidays and observances. Pero bago yan, latest news muna. Isa sa napanood ko kanina. Naalala nyo yung meron na naman kasing nag-gas and run. Ganon katindi ang problema natin sa gasolina, sa enerhiya. May hit and run, meron na tayo ngayong gas and run. Na talamak na. Pangatlong case na yata ito, no? Naplakahan na, tsaka sinenda na ng show cause order yung may-ari at may-ari or driver nung sasakyan, no? Na latest na perpetrator ng gas and run. May hit and run, merong sa kainan, sa handaan, eat and run. Ito, meron na tayo ngayong gas and run. Pagas ka, tapos pag hindi nakalingon yung gasoline boy, sibat! Botak! Huwag naman, kawawa naman yung di ba minsan, I don't know kung paano kalakaran yan, pero, di ba? Kumbaga sa cashier, pag short, charge di ba? O di matcha-charge din yung gasoline boy, kawawa naman. Ano lang yun kumakayod lang patas yun di ba? Di ba? Maging patas tayo. Yeah. Minsan yan ang problema sa atin Sa sobrang kagustuhan nating makalamang, makaungos, hindi na tayo nagiging patas. Hindi natin na naiisip na isa sa resulta ng ginagawa natin, may taong napeperwisyo na hindi naman siya mayaman. Hindi naman rin, salat din sa buhay, tapos peperwisyuhin natin, lumalaban ng patas. Kawawa naman, Di ba? Ako, naranasan ko yan. Ilang beses na. Lumalaban ako ng patas. Tapos may mga manlalamang. May mga manggugulang. Tapos ako pa raw yung masamang tao. Ako raw yung toxic. Siya nga tong hindi nagre-remit ng... hindi nagre-remit ng kita ng radyo. Clue, si Jabba the Hutt. Yung nangangain ng iba't ibang insekto sa Star Wars. Kilala niyo 'yon, si Jabba the Hutt? Yung lagi nakaupo. Laki ang taba noon, Parang patabaing butete. Kamukhang kamukha maging patas po tayo sa buhay, kasi yung pagiging hindi natin patas, sa ayaw mo't sa gusto, babalik at babalik sa yan, it will bite you in the ass. Buti kung it will bite you in the ass lang. Diba? Paano kung sinama niya si paring si paring K. Kilala niyo si paring K. Palayaw niyon si Kimi, si paring Kimi. Kimi, apelido niya Tayan, Kimi, Tayan. Paano ko sinama ni ni Kayden? Isa pang Kay yun, si Carmi. Oh, si Carmi. Carmi Martin. Oh, dapat patas lang tayo. Huwag tayo nang lalamang sa kapwa, huwag tayo nang gugulang, no? Ang masaklap pa niyan, yung kung sino pa yung lumalaban ng patas, kung sino pa yung maayos, yung tunay na may malasakit, yun yung palalabasin nating masama. Diba? Huwag ganun, hindi tama yun, no? Okay? It will bite you, it will hunt you back. Oh, 'di ba? Sabi nga ni Kumaring Protector. Whatever you put out there in the universe, it will come back to you 1,000-fold. May pag ganun-ganun pa samantalang siya tong. Oh, siya. Oh, doon na tayo sa ano. Oh, sapul-sapul na bugbog sarado na naman Today's holidays and observances. May 6. Yan. What's going on for May 6? Eto, let me know. International No Diet Day. Oh, wala mo ng diet ngayon. Uy, gusto ko yan. May celebration ako niyan tomorrow, bukas. So, total birthday ko, International No Diet Day muna ako. Kaya lang May 6 yung observance nito, no? O, lipat ko ha. Nagpapaalam ako, whoever is the president, CEO, founder of the International No Diet Day. Permission to move the date, sir. Move it. Move. Permission to move. Did you move? Naalala ko, nag-MC ako sa wedding, Nag-MC ako sa wedding. Isa sa mga interview ko, syempre, yung mga bridesmaid, yung mga groomsmen. Syempre, 'di ba, may mga pa-games, di ba? Di yung dalawang final bridesmaid, di ko alam magjowa pala. As in, boyfriend, girlfriend, hindi pa mag-asawa. So, in-interview ko, no? So, hi, what's your name? Magkakilala kayo? Nagulat ako. Wala ko idea, Mag-ano pala. So, natawa sa akin yung mga hindi ko alam, wala ko ka-idea. Sila lahat alam nila, hindi ko naman sila kilala, mag-boyfriend and girlfriend na pala. Ang next question ko dun sa lalaki, sabi ko, pare ko, did you already move her? Yung mga nakagets nung tanong na yon, hi, shout out. Mga legend kayo kung nagets yung tanong. Di ba mga pare, pag tinanong mo kung di ba, si girlfriend mo, yun ang mahiwagang tanong para hindi malaswa ang dating, di ba? Simple, tanungin mo lang, pare ko, did you already move her? So, may nag-text, DJ, alam ko yan, di ba yung move sa Tagalog, ginalaw. Bahala ka, ikaw nakaisip niyan, hindi yun ang sinabi ko, ha? Anyways, moving on, some more of today's holidays and observances pa. May 6, International Nurses Day. Kung International Nurses Day, pwede mo na rin sabihin International Filipinos Day! International Management Accounting Day. Ayan, okay. Oh, Sauvignon Blanc. One of the most expensive, alak, wine. Sauvignon Blanc is red wine, right? Mm-hmm. Why, right? I'm no alcohol expert, but yeah, I do love alcohol. There was a time in my life na I became semi-alcoholic. Ano pa? Anxiety Disorder Screening Day. Sino sa inyo may anxiety disorder? Ang masasabi ko lang, chill. Chill, baby. Bike and Roll to School Day. Day to prevent teen and unplanned pregnancy. Ayun. Kasi nagkaroon ng mga ganitong observances kasi dami nangyayari ganyan, di ba? Kagagraduate lang ng grade 6. Ng high school pala, high school. High school naman. Yung iba during high school, Interpreter Day. Yan. Or deaf interpreter. It's a skill. If you're an interpreter, no? It's a skill. Yeah. Speaking of which, Skilled Trades Day din ang May 6. Ano pa? No Homework Day. Sa Pilipinas, wala naman talaga, Wala nang pasok yung mga ganitong panahon, Pero in other parts of the world, syempre. Nurses Day or National RN Recognition Day. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina, Filipino Day. Nurses Day. All right, so there you have it. The holidays and observances. And for those of you who are celebrating your birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza Olongapo. And you will get free pizza. Yes, you heard it right. Free pizza with your APC card. Basta may APC card ka, ha? Second box is free. Same size. And best of all, any flavor. Bahala ka kung anong flavor yung gusto mo yung pangalawa. No? So don't miss out, mga ka-angels. Pero you need to have the APC card. Kung wala ka pang APC card, punta ka na sa Angel's Pizza Olongapo. 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac, Olongapo City. Libre lang yung Angel's Pizza card, ha? Baka may nagbebenta sa inyo, hindi yan binibenta. Libre lang yan. Okay. 0927-117-9020 for inquiries. They are located at 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac. Yung bungad lang ng 4th Street yan. Madaling hanapin, no? Okay. Open Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito yung yung Texas all-meat barbecue flavor na pizza. Ay, charap. Charap! Vegetarians meron. Meron pang vegetarians. Yung spinach creamy dip na original nila. Sila nagpauso nun no? Okay? And here are the famous people celebrating the birthdays today. Filipino actress, comedian Maymay Entrata was born May 6, 1997. Actor from the golden age of Philippine cinema, Romeo Vasquez. Tagal ng actor yan, Ano pa? 60s, 70s pa yata. And Grace Nono, Filipino musician, composer. Grace Nono, May 6, 1965. Bob Seger. Diba? Sumikat na song yan, It's an old kind of rock and roll. Old time rock and roll, yeah. Okay, Bob Seger. Great voice, huh? He turns 81 today. Former UK Prime Minister Tony Blair turns 73 today. And next up we have also happy birthday to who else do I gotta greet? Sino ba? Movie actress Gabri Sidibe turns 43 today. In case you're not familiar kung sino siya, she played the role of Precious. Do you guys remember the 2009 film Precious? And that was her. Okay. She also played the role of Queenie in the TV show American Horror Story Coven. And she's also in Fox series Empire. Gabori Sidibe turns 43 today. Happy birthday to you. Also, Emily Armstrong turns 40 today. In case you're wondering who's Emily Armstrong, she is the lead vocalist and guitarist of the well-known as one of the members of the rock band Dead Sarah. Okay, in 2024, she joined Linkin Park as the new lead singer. You guys remember? She debuted. Yeah. Linkin Park chose her to be the new lead vocalist. Okay, si Emily Armstrong. May 6, 1986. And next up we have happy birthday to movie actress Emily Allen Lind. All right, she turns 24 today. Emily Allen Lind is Heidi, played the role of Heidi in The Haunting in Connecticut, Ghosts of Georgia. All right. She was born May 6, 2002, turns 24 today. The NBA's Chris Paul, point guard, turns 41 today, basketball player, all right? Movie actress Naomi Scott turns 33. George Clooney turns 65 today, all right? So there you have it. Okay, we have one more, by the way. Si Sadie Sandler, all right, the daughter of Adam Sandler, who's also an actress. Yep. The last movie I've seen her was in the movie What's the title of that movie? You're so not invited to my bat mitzvah. Yeah, that's the movie. With her father, of course, and yung kapatid niya rin, kasama niya rin doon. No? May 6, 2006, Sadie Sandler. So there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you May 6 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Si ano pa pala, may, I forgot somebody, si Angel Reese of the WNBA. Ayan, okay? So, you two, your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Text me up, call or text me up, 0910-6909-501. Or pwede rin, you can message me, comment your shoutouts, greetings, or what have you on the live video, which is live now on the Facebook page, live video of this radio show at the Radyo Bandera official Facebook page. Okay, so check it out.